Hello. Cab rack. Back in time. So now I'm going to start working on this cab basket. This is about how it's gonna sit. I just got it centered. It's gonna come out about an inch. I'll show you the mounts that I got. These mounts off of Amazon. They're kind of like a engine mount. There's a stud on one side, stud on the other side, and then the middle is just rubber. It allows that mount to flex. And the reason I need that is because the bed moves and flexes independent of the cab. So the plan is to mount the back of this basket with 2 of those flexible mounts, and then the front of it. So I think I can build a little bracket that comes up here and then goes over and then just probably through bolts to the rack. So I'm gonna start cleaning up the back end of this basket and then cutting that steel strap and getting ready to make some little straps here to mount this guy with. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and run the footage of building the cab basket, which I did a couple months ago in the fall. So go ahead and check that out, and then after that we'll be back to putting the straps on this basket.
Take it too far now. I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. Like a fish on land. Must be hell, no more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I'm well in the sand like a fish on land. I was getting lost.
All right, success on getting these guys on. Boop, 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 boop. So I'll pop a couple holes in those and then we can put it on there, mark out where those mounts need to go, and then we'll pop those guys on so we can slide this guy on and get everything lined out. Yeah. Now I'm gonna start looking at these little feet.
Wake up early in the morning, and when I come home at night, everything is covered in darkness, and the sun is out.
Put these little supports in there, fasteners through there, this goes over, basket sits on top.
The flame was put to rest. Now everything is covered.
So that's that. That's the cab rack. I'm pretty happy with that. So I think I will end this episode here. So far so good with the cab basket, but I went for a drive on the freeway yesterday and the wind and turbulence through that thing is horrible. The next thing I'm going to work on is building a little fairing to go in front of it.
From a clear sky, I wasn't ready to say goodbye ever since you left. There's nothing but a cloudy sky, and one day is only night. Now I'm sitting all by myself, trying to see the light in the dark, but everything is covered in sadness. Without